Fully connected models using SDS2 is integral for our projects and how we work with clients. All the projects that we work on require significant BIM coordination. So any connection design that I do outside of SDS2 or using SDS2 to create connections, everything at the end of the day needs to go back into the model. So for BIM coordination, using BIM Plus or using AutoCAD or Revit or Navis or any of the other BIM software requirements that we have, clients always want to see what the bolts are, what the connection plates are, because frequently MEP models are getting larger and larger, and we need to be able to see if the large gussets for a truss project, for example, whether the gussets are clashing with any of the MEP items. So using a fully connected model is critical to everything that we do.